Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the maintenance of your Rowenta RO4873EA vacuum cleaner, ensure you have the necessary tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner for safety. Next, remove the dust container. This is done by pressing the release button located near the handle. Once the container is detached, empty the contents into a trash bag. Use a soft brush to clean any dust particles that remain inside the container. Now, focus on the filters. The Rowenta RO4873EA has two filters, a foam filter and a HEPA filter. To access these, you'll need to unscrew the cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Carefully set the screws aside for later reassembly. Once the cover is removed, you can see the filters. Start with the foam filter, gently pull it out and rinse it under lukewarm water. Avoid using any detergents. Allow it to air dry completely before reinstalling it. Next, take the HEPA filter out. It is important to check for any damages. If you notice any tears or significant wear, consider replacing it. If it's in good condition, you can lightly vacuum it to remove dust. If you don't have the tools to perform this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't need to leave your comfort. Once the filters are clean and dry, reinstall them by following the reverse order of removal. Secure the cover back in place with the screws you set aside earlier. It's essential to ensure everything is tightly secured to maintain the vacuum's efficiency. After the filters are back in, it's time to clean the internal parts of the vacuum. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the interior, focusing on the areas around the motor and any accessible sections. This will help remove any built-up dust and debris. If you notice any issues during your cleaning process, such as reduced suction or strange noises, it's advisable to seek a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify problems quickly and efficiently. Finally, once everything is cleaned and reassembled, plug in your vacuum cleaner and test it to ensure it's working properly. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your vacuum but also ensures it operates at peak performance. Remember, if you encounter any challenges or need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, eliminating any unexpected costs. And with our no calls, no travel service, you can enjoy hassle-free maintenance right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.